You've discovered the engineering process, explored game design principles, learned how to program with Scratch. So much has been completed. And now it's time to learn about games with purpose, which I'm so excited to talk to you about. While all games should be fun to play, Games with Purpose goes one step further to help us learn about issues that have an impact on our lives. They are games that address topics that matter to us and can create a positive change in our world. For example, Games with Purpose can encourage players to learn more about how the refugee crisis affects families around the world, or take the complexity of climate change and make it easier to understand by turning it into a game. From the environment to human rights, from mental health to nutrition, Games with Purpose is helping players around the world learn about topics that matter to each of us. You might be wondering how Games with Purpose is different from other ways to learn about important topics, and that's a great question. We have books and documentaries that address important issues. The big difference, though, is that Games with Purpose gives players the ability to actively immerse themselves in an experience created by the game designer, which is you. You get to decide that experience. Players can move around, jump, explore, discover elements of a world that the game designer built for them to learn more about that topic. So the question is, what can you create as a game designer? What do you want to create? And we're so excited to see what you build. You can use the game design principles that you learned to challenge your players. You can experience someone else's perspective, practice a responsible behavior, or even learn and reflect on an important issue. To get the ball rolling on brainstorming ideas, you'll play 3 Games with Purpose to explore how game designers can engage players on important issues. As you play the games, think about what makes these Games with Purpose work well and how you might design a game on a topic that you care about. Try to choose a topic that everyone in your engineering team cares about. To start, it might be helpful to think about what is happening around you in your community, both in person and virtually. Are there challenges you'd like to address? You each have a different background, different experiences, different voices. It's great to share those experiences if you feel comfortable. Share some of the topics that you care about with your engineering team to see if you can all find one that you all are excited about together. Remember, Games with Purpose goes one step further than regular games to help players learn about a topic that matters to you. We can't wait to see what you'll come up with, and we're so excited to play your game.